A recent announcement about changes to FHA loans is welcome news for home buyers still feeling priced out in the metro area. The Federal Housing Administration is set to lower the annual mortgage insurance premium by 30 basis points this month. Our real estate expert joins us now live to explain what this means for some home buyers. Lane Lyon is a managing broker at Coldwell Banker. Lane, good morning.
Jordan, good morning to you. Thanks for having me on.
Of course. Let's start with the big question. How is this going to really make a difference?
Well, bottom line, it will make a difference. FHA are government-insured loans, and they allow borrowers to put less money down, but a big chunk of that monthly payment is the mortgage insurance premium, or MIP. And Jordan, I brought an example today to really show you how this will make a difference when the change goes into effect. So average sales price in Denver right now for a home is about $626,000. So I use that as our example. FHA loan allows you to put 3.5% down for your down payment. Now, take a look at the difference in the mortgage insurance premium. This is part of the monthly payment. The change before the change in the guidelines, almost $428 a month in mortgage insurance. Now, under the new calculation, it goes down to $276.87. It's a savings of a little over $150 a month for that. We'll take it. That's a bill or two, or a night out on the town, something like that. That's a 34% reduction in MIP, Jordan. And Mark Purvis at Guaranteed Rate Affinity gave me those numbers yesterday. So is it life-changing money? No. But reality is today, every little bit helps.
It's true.
You want to talk to a mortgage professional just to make sure you're finding the right loan product.
We'll save whatever money we can wherever we can. Speaking of that, let's save people some more money. There's actually some ways that home buyers can save on those interest rates.
Well, exactly. We know that interest rates and mortgage rates have really been teetering around 7%. And we have some buyers that are really struggling with that. However, there's some well-qualified buyers out there. And I'm here to tell you that home sellers are still offering closing costs to help buy down that mortgage rate. So the other thing you need to know that we're seeing here locally is that we're starting to see a little bit more competition for those really nice houses out there, Jordan. I know you got good taste. So be mindful of the fact that if you do need closing costs to help buy down your interest rate, you might have to go over the asking price because those sellers are focused on their bottom line.
That's true. Okay, so good news there, talking about savings and everything. Let's keep this trend going. But also at the same time, when you're talking to an expert, when you're talking about getting this loan, it's always good to get a second opinion.
It really is, and not everybody thinks about that. But if you think about it, we get second opinions when it comes to our health, when our pets sometimes. How about the single largest purchase you'll likely ever make?
Right, it's true.
You can do the same thing, because the truth is rates, programs, fees, they vary from loan product to loan product. So it's okay to get a couple of different opinions from different lenders. It's peace of mind. You want to be 100% confident when you're going out there that the loan product you have really works for you. And by the way, these changes to the MIP go into effect March 20th. So that would be something to ask about.
Okay, so mark your calendars, March 20th. That's the big date to circle right there. Yeah, we get second opinions about the clothes that we wear before we step out of the house. Why wouldn't we?
Not everyone knows that you can get a second opinion on your loan product as well.
Okay, we'll pass that along, spread it to your friends, because that's incredibly important. Lane, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate your help as always.